Hello everyone, today I am going to cook tortang eggplant with sardines. Here are the ingredients. I am going to use 4 eggplants, salt, 4 eggs, 2 red onions, 1 tin of spicy mega sardines, black pepper, and cooking oil. To start, I am preparing the steamer to steam the eggplants. While waiting for the water to boil in the steamer, I will cut this part of the eggplant and I will peel the skin. Here it is. Now it is ready to put in the steamer. I will steam the peeled eggplants for 15 minutes until it gets soft. While waiting for the eggplant to be cooked, I will prepare this sardines. I will put it in the bowl. Remove the sauce. I will also remove the spine. And start mashing it. Next, I will prepare the 4 eggs and beat it. Add 1/4 teaspoon of fine salt. Add some ground black pepper. Now I will peel and chop the 2 red onions. After 15 minutes, the eggplants are ready and I will take it out from the steamer. Mash it using a fork until it cools down. Transfer in a bowl and add the chopped onions and start mixing it. Now it's time to add the beaten eggs. Mix it and add to the mashed sardines. Heat the pan with cooking oil and start frying the tortang eggplant with sardines. That's it. I hope you enjoy my cooking video. Thank you so much for watching.